Tonight, I'm chilling on the west side. Oh, call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Cause that's who on the low, no location. I don't want them seeing me getting faded. You should come.
Hey Khaipies, and welcome to my Bantu knot tutorial. So today you're going to need pre-stretched braiding hair, some hair clips and scrunchies, some shine and jam, a rat tail comb, 2 mirrors, and some rubber bands. This is the hair that I purchased. I'm going to start this off with parting. If you've watched any of my other hair videos, you know that parting is a little bit hard for me, but it kind of was easy because I started at the front of my head, but still sis had a hard time with this one part because I'm not used to parting triangles. I'm used to parting squares, but at the end of the day, she gave what she was supposed to give, okay? So once we get a part that we like, we're going to apply some shine and jam. That's going to help us to clean up our parts, and it's also going to help us to slick our hair down. Make sure that you're very generous with how much you apply because, baby, I mean, if you want to frizz up in 2 days, that's on you. But if not, make sure you apply and are generous, okay? You also want to make sure that you're combing through because since you were generous with the product, it will sit there and cake up and turn white and have you looking crazy. So we don't want that. So now I'm applying the rubber bands, but today I applied a scrunchie just because this piece was huge, but you can double the rubber bands if that's your preference. Now I'm going to show y'all this with a different piece. We're going to take our braiding hair and wrap it around. As you can see, my braiding hair is on the right and my natural hair is on the left. And what I'm going to do is braid regularly. Okay, braid like you braid in a regular box braid. Yeah, like this, like so, like that. Now you're going to braid until your hair is completely tucked away. Now you're going to take your braid and you're going to start to turn it. I don't really think the direction matters. Honestly, I was just turning, but I did turn, and when you turn at the root, your knot starts to form, and that's what you're going to keep following that pattern. So you're going to turn a little bit and then you're going to wrap around. Turn a little bit and then you're going to wrap it around, and you're going to continue that process until you have a slither of a piece left. And even then, you're going to keep rolling and tuck that little piece into the root, and you're going to see me do that now. Honestly, y'all, at this